So we have decided that we're getting a motorbike because we want to go to the waterfall, and it's actually cheaper for us to get a motorbike for 24 hours than it is to pay to get a taxi there and back from the waterfall. So now we're trying to get the girls to put helmets on there. Yeah, you can put it on your head then.
This way.
Put it on your head. Wow. Turn around. Show mummy. Here you go. No, you're not want. You want the black one. Are ready to go?
Some taxi to see the money. Oh, okay.
Oh, thank you.
Is this you? Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, perfect. Yes.
Hiya. We're going on a motorbike.
Look at Daddy.
I like it.
There's the motorbike girls. Drive them, but I just don't know if I trust myself. Yeah, I know. I'll stick to my tuk-tuk life. True. Here we are, we've arrived. Girls, say well done, Daddy. Bix, Bon, say well done, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. Dress off, want to put your swimsuit on, going to waterfall?
Yeah, let's get that.
We're at the waterfall now. Daddy get the tickets, it's 30k each. Hello.
Okay.
Right, it's alright going down these steps,
So,
but coming back up them.
to be fair, at least it's not a mile hike. We came to this one specifically because we were told it's not that far of a walk to the waterfall. So hopefully they weren't lying.
Wow!
And I'm like, dude, do we want like to be responsible for like dead lady found in the middle of the desert?
So I've just got that.
Oh, I like it.
The only thing about going down all these stairs, people, is that you've got to come back up them.
Thank you.
Oh,
Wow, look, there's water.
Swimming
Swimming pool.
Swimming pool. I wonder if they're allowed in that.
I'm not too sure.
Wow! Wow! Hi! How beautiful! Wow!
Oh my god, there's koi carp in it.
Oh, God.
I'm loving the koi carp at the minute, I'll tell ya.
Wow. Apple. That's apple.
Ooh.
Yeah.
It's not a swimming pool, baby.
It's a waterfall.
We're going to go across the stepping stones now.
Yeah.
Yay.
Yay.
Look, ready? Wow! What? Oh, wow, look at that.
Wow.
Wow.
Yay.
The water. So clear, isn't it? Look at the fishies.
Nice.
More over there.
Oh, the
Look at that big orange one.
Mama fish.
Oh, babe, watch out, babe.
Mama.
Bit of a traffic jam. Oh, I can see the waterfall.
Fish.
More fish. Lots of fish. Wow, look at them ones. I wonder if some fish ever go for a fun ride down that. Yeah.
Wow.
Wow. Yes.
Wow.
Seawater.
Wow. Water.
Water.
Yeah.
That's stunning.
Oh, over a bridge. You want to walk?
Yeah.
Go on then. You can walk on this bit. Wow. We're getting in the water. We're going to get in the waterfall. Yeah.
Excited about that.
Yeah. Let's get in the water. Let's get in the water. Your hand? Oh, it's
Wow.
You okay? Do you want some help? Wait, let me do what I did. Onto that bit. And that bit. Well done.
Wow.
Wow. Yeah, no, I am as well now.
And take them off.
Get your shoes off.
I don't want you to lose them.
Shoe off. Shoe off. You alright? Oh. It's cold. Wow. You want to stand it? You want to sit in the water? Yeah, you stand there with Mummy?
Wow, where are we? Woo. Now don't lose your glasses.
Alright, and back up we go. Ooh. Ooh. Us, us. Well done. Hey, was that nice?
A little bit of crock cleaning going on there. Hello. Bon bon. Woo.
Okay, back over the stepping stones. Whoa. All the big fishies. Hey. Now for the fun part. Walking back up the stairs. Us, us, us. Bye bye waterfall. You gonna get back on a motorbike?
Ready for the workout?
Bye bye. How good was that, Bixie? Did you enjoy that? Waterfall. Very good. That might have even been Daddy's first waterfall, you know? Yeah, I think so. Apart from when I was younger.
Yeah.
Nearly there. It's only 190 steps. But they're massive steps. Oh, well done. Well done. Oh, you're making music? Wow. You make music? Wow. When I'm riding, you can hold my legs. Okay?
Ready? Let's go! Anyway, that was such a good time in the waterfall, wasn't it, girls? Yeah, did you love it? We're going to get something to eat now. Guys, we have just come to an amazing place called Dranky in Ubud, and it is just perfect for children. It's got an indoor play area and this unreal outdoor play area built out of bamboo. This girl's being told to be careful because she's on the monkey bars. The girls are arguing over the wooden swing. Do you want to go down that slide, Bonnie? But this is the restaurant. It's absolutely stunning. Wow. have you got?
Dolly.
Dolly. Is that yours or the little girl's? Hiya. You going to get on the slide then? Sit with Sissy. Oh, wait. Okay, go on then.
Right, you have to lay down. Lay down. Look. Lay down. That's it. You lay down.
Lay down.
Lay down.
Ready, steady, go. Woohoo! What you got? Unicorn, who's that? Oh, wow, are you just the luckiest, happiest girlies? Oh, wow, you're going to play nicely together in here, yeah? Wait for Daddy. We're not going down there. No, look, behind you. There's a ladder. Thank you.
You want to go up? Want to go up?
You're going on the slide with your unicorn. Woo! Did that burn?
Go see Mummy.
Hello. Hello. Hello, Stink. Come back. Bonbon, come
Go
back.
see Mummy quick, she can't see you.
Hello. Hello, Stink.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
If you made it this far, please make sure you subscribe and share to your friends.